Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to do this cable work. This is used in the Cozy Cabled Cardigan and the Cozy Cabled Cardi. This is referred to as the 4DC cable. It's the smaller of the two cables used in both patterns. Now it is worked across 4 double crochet stitches, which is why I named it the 4DC cable in the pattern. However, you will be using treble stitches when you do the crossovers, just to keep the height of the cables correct to match up the double crochets beside it. For today's tutorial, I'm going to be using this Brava worsted weight yarn from We Crochet. This is 218 yards of premium acrylic yarn, and it is machine washable, tumble dry, worsted weight. This one is the color Denim. It's a very pretty soft blue and super squishy. So it's a great acrylic yarn I love to use. I have started my swatch here. I'm making it exactly like this one. So I'm spreading out the cables a little bit so you can get used to doing the cabling between some double crochet stitches, because in the pattern you will have double crochets and cables mixed together. So I started with a foundation double crochet row of 17 stitches, and then I've done 4 rows of cabling here. So this cable is worked in a 2-row repeat, so I've done row 1 and 2 times. So I'm getting ready to start on row 3, and I'm going to show you how to do this cable. So I've already done the 3 double crochets at the beginning so that we can get right into that cabling work. Now when you do this cable, you are doing a crossover. So we are going to skip these first 2 stitches, and we're going to do our first 2 trebles into the 3rd and 4th stitch of the cable. So to do a treble, you're going to yarn over twice. You're going to skip these 2 stitches, insert your hook into the 3rd stitch, and pull up a loop. Yarn over, pull through 2 stitches, yarn over, pull through 2 stitches, yarn over, pull through 2 stitches. Your piece should look like this. Now you're going to yarn over 2 times, insert your hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Now you're going to cross over in the front of these 2 stitches so that it looks like this, and you're going to work into stitch 1 and stitch 2. However, when you insert your hook here, you do not want to go across and grab the yarn from here, because that will pull your cables. You want to insert your hook through that opening hole. So it's a little bit complicated to do, but once you get the hang of it, you just push the other stitches out of the way and it works fairly easily. So yarn over twice, insert into that hook there, and then I just use my finger to push it back up into that hole. Yarn over and pull up a loop. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And that is your first cross. We're going to do that again. Yarn over twice, insert into that, then turn your hook and come back up into that opening. Yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. That is row 1 of the cable complete. We're going to double crochet 3, and then we'll do it again. Okay, we're back to the cable. We're going to skip the first 2. We're going to treble into the next 2. Yarn over twice, insert into the 3rd stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Then we're going to do it into the 4th stitch, yarn over twice, insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Now we're going to go and work into the first and second stitches, making sure your hook comes back up through this opening right there. So begin by yarning over twice, insert into that first stitch, take your hook and come back up into that hole, yarn over, and pull up a loop. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Let me get some extra yarn out here. Okay, we're going to do the next one. Right there, yarn over twice, insert into the stitch, back up through that opening, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So now you have 2 stitches going that way, and then we're going to do the 3 double crochet at the end, and we're going to turn our work, and I will show you how to do row 2. Okay, we're going to chain 2 and turn. The back of your work will have these ridges. Let me get my first few double crochet out of the way so I can get back to that cable work. Okay, so here we are at the cable. You're going to back post double crochet across all 4 stitches. This will give you that ridge. So yarn over, insert from back to front and around that first post. And you're going to go directly in order, 1, 2, 3, 4. So yarn over, insert around that next post. Pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And then we're going to do the 3rd post and the 4th post. Those are the 2 rows of the small cable. Then we're going to do 3 double crochets in the middle. And I need some more yarn again. I think I have a knot. So let me get this knot out of my yarn real quick and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Let's go ahead and do this next cable. So we have 4 stitches here and we're going to back post double crochet across this one, this one, this one, and this one directly in order. So yarn over from back to front and around that first post and pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over from back to front and around the post, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and 2 more times. This first one is the 3rd one. The first one that's going the other direction is usually the hardest because it is behind that 2nd one. But you can just use your fingers to manipulate and open it up. And then I'm going to finish with 3 double crochets here. So that is all there is to the small cable. It's just a 2-row repeat. So you start with skipping 2, working 2 trebles, and then coming back and working 2 trebles the opposite direction. And then on the back, you just back post double crochet across all of them. And like I said, your sweater will have this little bump on the inside, but it's the inside of your work, so nobody's going to see it. They're going to be admiring your beautiful cables. If you have any questions, feel free to message me at carolladdickdesigns@gmail.com or leave a message in the comments below. Happy crocheting!